Hi, Michelle. This is your video on how to place videos on your home page specifically, but it'll also show you how to do it other places if you want to do that. So, first step is to go to YouTube. Here is your video. And go to Share. And then choose Embed. And then select all that code and copy it. And then come over here to the back end of the site. First thing to do is we're going to create a module, and that module, excuse me, I'm going to change that search feature. The module we're creating is going to be set up just for the code for the video. The reason why is because the editor, the JCE editor, breaks the code. So that's why these say editor off. And they say do not open. You can open them, but not with the editor on. So if you're going to open any of those, you need to always make sure you come to Global Configuration, turn the editor off, which is editor none, save and close, and then come back to here. Quickest way to find the videos is just type in the word video in the search field. And then here is the new Hue video. So in here, I can open this now because I have the editor off, but you'll see it has the iframe code from YouTube right here. So, okay, so that's that module. Okay, so I'm actually now going to safely turn the editor back on. And then what I'm going to do is just go back and make a note of the ID, the ID number of the video. And the ID number for this video is 278. Okay. Now, I've set up a copy of your home page, this one here that says video, and it's set up so that you could use this as your template anytime you needed to do a home page with a video. Okay, so we're going to open that up, and then this little bit of code here, anytime you want to swap out the video, make it a different one, all you do is change that number right there, the ID of the module. So that little bit of code there is what will make the video appear underneath this text. And then I've got the text here that you created. I left it in the font that you've been using, thinking that might be what you want to do, but if you want to change that, that's perfectly fine. And so we're going to close that. And then I just made a little test link so that you can check it out. But this isn't published to your live homepage. This is just a test page. But this is what the page is looking like. And there is your embedded video. So that's all there is to it. I think it's pretty simple. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.